Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado ranch dressing. This guide will help you create a wonderfully creamy and flavorful dressing that's perfect for salads, dips, or even as a spread. We'll go through each step, from gathering your fresh ingredients to blending everything into a smooth, delicious consistency. Get ready to elevate your meals with this homemade, vibrant green dressing that's surprisingly easy to prepare and incredibly satisfying. Let's get started. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this amazing dressing. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, half a cup of creamy mayonnaise, and half a cup of tangy buttermilk. For fresh flavor, grab 2 tablespoons of finely chopped chives and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. Don't forget 1 small clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and, of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple items will create a truly delightful dressing. Now for the fun part, blending. Carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender or a food processor. Make sure everything is in there, including the avocado, mayonnaise, buttermilk, herbs, garlic, lemon juice, and seasonings. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and beautifully creamy. If you prefer a slightly thinner consistency, feel free to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold water. Blending again until well combined. It's that simple. Once your avocado ranch dressing is perfectly blended, it's ready to enjoy. This versatile dressing is fantastic drizzled over your favorite salads, used as a creamy dip for vegetables, or even spread on sandwiches. For any leftovers, simply transfer the dressing to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will maintain its delicious flavor and freshness for about 3 to 5 days. Enjoy the vibrant taste of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.